Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health. Today's video will cover the quick and easy assembly of your Vive step stool. Included with your order will be 1 slip-resistant footrest, 2 leg sections, 1 concave and 1 convex, 2 handrail base bars, 1 handrail, 5 short hand screws, 4 long hand screws, 9 spring washers, and 9 curved washers. To start your assembly, we've got the footrest here. We'll set that down upside down so that you can see the screw points. We'll take one of our leg sections here, one with the curve that curves down and in the same way as the curve of the leg. Fit that over the screw points. You want to fit it to where these screw holes on one side of the leg are pointed out, away from the narrow end of the base. Get that set there. Then take the other leg section, again with those screw holes, pointed in the same direction, fit that over, and you'll see that the base will kind of seat together so it's nice and even. If the sections are inverted, the stool will end up being unstable, and that'll let you know that you need to reverse the assembly of the legs. What we'll then do is use the screw knob along with the washers here, the smaller spring washer and the larger curved washer, to attach those down. You'll fit first the spring washer onto the screw knob, followed by the curved washer. Make sure that curve is going to conform to the curve of the tube. Start here in the middle. To secure that down. And then repeat with the other 4 screw points. Step 2. We've stood the stool up on its side here so that you can see the screw holes that'll appear just on one of the narrow sides of the stool once the legs are attached. These screw holes will mount the handrail base bars here. I've got one here. You'll mount that with these silver screw attachments facing out so that you can use one of the long screw knobs with the washers in the same configuration, the spring washer on the bottom, curved washer on top, to fit that up and under to attach the handrail bar, like so. Okay, once you get the long screw knob attached here, take another one, same spring washer configuration, spring washer down below, curved washer above it, fit that up and through to attach the other one. And you'll repeat those same steps to attach the other handrail bar to the opposite leg. Step 3, with the step stool stood back up on all 4 feet, we'll now attach the handrail. And press the locking pins in here as we fit both ends into the handrail base. Press those down until the locking pins pop into place and your step stool is assembled. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.